In the world of real estate wholesaling, success is often tantalizingly close, yet many stumble into traps that can derail their efforts. Mistakes in this field can lead to financial losses and tarnished reputations. Understanding these pitfalls is essential for anyone looking to thrive in wholesale real estate. We are growthsense.com. We built a platform that allows investors to buy, sell, and invest in real estate properties of all kinds, in all shapes, and in all conditions. Today, we are diving into the common mistakes you need to watch out for, ensuring you're equipped to navigate the complexities of this lucrative venture. Number 1. Contracting properties at too high a price. It's all too easy to overestimate the after-repair value, or ARV, and overlook repair costs. When you set prices too high, investors will shy away. Always do your homework and use reliable sources like the multiple listing service to get a clear picture of what a property is really worth. Number 2. Wasting time on unprofitable activities. Are you spending hours tweaking marketing materials or scrolling through social media? Shift your focus to actions that directly lead to deals. Time is money, so prioritize tasks that bring in revenue and consider delegating minor responsibilities. Number 3. Advertising properties without a contract. It might seem tempting to drum up interest, but doing this without a signed agreement is risky business. Not only is it unethical, but it can also lead to legal trouble. Always secure a contract first to protect yourself and your clients. Number 4. Poor due diligence. Skipping thorough research can lead to costly surprises down the road. You might miss liens or zoning issues that affect your deal's profitability. Always inspect properties and verify all legal documents before proceeding. Number 5. Failing to offer good deals. If your properties are overpriced or have hidden issues, you'll damage your reputation and limit future opportunities. Offer fair prices and be transparent about any known problems. Building trust with buyers fosters repeat business. Number 6. Long chains of middlemen. Involving too many people in a deal can complicate things and eat into profits. Instead, aim to connect directly with motivated sellers, giving you more control over the transaction. Number 7. Not verifying buyers' funding. Trusting a buyer without proof of funds can blow up a deal at the last minute. Always check for proof of funds or pre-approval letters before moving forward to avoid wasting time and effort. As you navigate the world of wholesaling, remember that every decision counts. The wrong move could mean losing out on your next big opportunity or facing unforeseen challenges. So keep your eyes peeled for these common pitfalls and always stay informed. If you're eager to find wholesale real estate deals that are truly worth your time, visit growthsense.com. Our platform connects you with distressed properties ready for investment, helping you make informed decisions and maximize your potential in this competitive market. Don't let mistakes hold you back. Equip yourself with the right tools and knowledge today